Hello all. So today we are going to solve this problem plus one. So problem is like we have a large integer represented by an array of digits. So each digit I is I digit of the integer. Uh, the digits are ordered from most significant to least significant in left to right order. The large integer doesn't contain any leading zero. Okay. So we have what we have to do is increase the large integer by 1 and then return the resulting array of digits. Okay, so uh, this is that large integer. So the integer will be 123 and we have to increase it by 1, so it would be 124. uh, Similarly you can show this explanation as well for reference. So similarly we have another integer 4321, so we have to increase it by 1, so it will be 4322. Similarly, we have one more integer, that's 9, so it would increase up to 10. Okay, so now let's solve this problem. So for that, let's have a empty string and we would iterate over this whole integer thing. Okay, and append it to ace by converting ace. Sorry, for actually let's make it st for ace in digits. So a plus equals to str of s. Now what we have to do, we have to increase this would what this would do is this would append all the digits by converting it into a string to this st variable. Now we have to increase it by 1. So st would be, let's do it in this fashion, int of st plus 1. Okay, now again let's have an array called array and iterate over this st and append each and every uh, character of st to re by converting it into an integer. So for s in st re dot append int of s. Now let's return re from here. Okay, now let's run this code. Okay, so this code has passed all the 3 test cases. Okay, now let's submit this code. So as you can see, code has been submitted and this is one of the solution. There may can be more than one solutions of this question, but this is one of the solution. Okay guys, thank you, see you in the next video.